In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rename layers and frames in Figma. Clear, consistent names make your files easier to navigate, speed up handoff, and help future you find exactly what you need. Let's start by opening your design so you can see both the canvas and the layers panel on the left. For quick, individual changes, you can rename items right where you work. In the Layers panel, simply double-click a layer's name to highlight it. Then type a clear, descriptive label. This is perfect for things like buttons, icons, or text layers. If you are working with frames, you can also rename them directly on the canvas. Double-click the frame's label at the top left of the frame boundary, then enter the new name. Keep names short but meaningful. For example, button/primary or header/title will be far more useful later than generic defaults. When you are done typing, press enter or click away to confirm. When you need to update multiple items at once, Figma's batch tools save a ton of time. First, select multiple layers. Hold Shift to select a range or use Command on Mac Control on Windows to pick individual items scattered throughout your file. With your selection ready, open the Rename Layers modal by pressing Command-R on Mac or Control-R on Windows. You'll see options that let you standardize names in one move. If you want every selected item to have the exact same label, type that text into the Rename to field. This is useful for grouping or quickly normalizing messy names. If you'd like each item to get a unique number, click the Number Up button to add an ascending sequence. Figma will append numbers so you get neat results like Card 1, Card 2, and so on, matching the order of your selection. You can also add context without losing existing names. Use the Current Name button to keep each item's original text. Then add your own prefix or suffix. For example, you might prepend icon // to organize related assets or append active to indicate a state. This keeps the core name intact while making categories or statuses easy to scan. As you work, aim for consistency. Decide on a pattern like using slashes to group items and stick to it across layers and frames. Small habits like this make filtering, searching, and collaborating smoother. And they help developers and teammates interpret your intent at a glance. That's it for renaming layers and frames in Figma. Thanks for watching.